Hey everyone, welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday, where we're discussing tech tips that are useful for you in your everyday life and in a way that are easy to understand. All right, let's get started. In today's episode, I'm going to be talking about how to share your audio in a Zoom meeting. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to open up a Zoom meeting right here. And then I'm going to join my computer audio because you're going to want to have that in order for people to hear the audio from your computer. But I'm going to click mute at this moment so that my voice isn't coming through. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on share screen. So the first option you can see is I'm going to click on my desktop, and I'm going to click desktop, and then I'm going to check this box right here. This is important. If you don't check this box, the audio from your computer is not going to be shared in your meeting. So go ahead and click that. And then this down arrow right here, you'll need to check this. And it's not necessary, but if you use, so the options here between mono and stereo there are two audio terms. I recommend that you use stereo because it's going to have a higher quality sound for the participants that are in your Zoom meeting. Once you've done that, go ahead and click share. Now this is going to share your entire Zoom or your entire desktop on your computer. So for example, if you wanted to show like a playlist, or if you had a PowerPoint presentation or something going on, they'll be able to see your screen while you're sharing the audio. So if I click this button right here, it's going to start the song that I'm using and they can hear it. I'm going to pause this for now. And that's the first way to do sharing your audio with a Zoom meeting. So the second option is, what if you don't want to share your screen, but you want to share audio at the same time? Like you wanted to keep the participants, like if you wanted to watch someone like the reaction to a video or a song, or just keep the audience on there without seeing stuff on your computer. This is the second way to do that. You're going to click share screen again, and you're going to go ahead and click on this advanced tab right here. And there's an option called computer audio. And you're going to go ahead and click on this button right here. And you notice that the share sound option becomes grayed out. That's perfectly okay. We want that to happen. And then we're going to click share. So now you're going to see that my video has stayed up on the main screen, and I have this green bar that says you are sharing computer sound. So what I'm going to do after that is I'm going to click on this option right here. Again, I'm going to press play. And so now what's happening is that they are hearing my computer audio while seeing my video. Okay. And the third option we're going to talk about is, again, go back to share screen. And you can also click on, instead of clicking desktop, if you just want to show the player, so if you were using QuickTime, Spotify, whatever music player, maybe iTunes, you can click on this, and then you can click share as well. And this is only going to show the actual player that's playing the music. So it's only going to show my QuickTime player, or it's going to show iTunes, or it's going to show Spotify. And again, you're going to click on this button to press play. All right, and then I'm going to click stop share and end this video. All right, and that's it for this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. We'll see you next time. Thanks for joining me for another Tech Tip Tuesday. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. I release a new video every Tuesday. All right, see you in the next one.